Hi, in front of me is KYOCERA Torque G03, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off notifications from an app. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Apps and Notifications. Then scroll down again, choose Notifications and App Notifications. Over here you need to choose one of the apps. For example, Duo. So I have to click on it, and now to turn off notifications, click on the switcher. All notifications from this app are now turned off. You can turn them back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!